Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a mojito without relying on sight. First, gather your ingredients: fresh mint, a lime, sugar, white rum, and club soda. Begin by placing about 10 to 12 mint leaves into a sturdy glass. Add 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. Using a muddler or the back of a spoon, gently press the mint and sugar together about 5 or 6 times to release the mince oils, but avoid tearing the leaves. Next, add half a lime, cut into 2 wedges, and muddle gently once more. Now it's time to add the liquid foundation of our mojito. Carefully measure 2 ounces of white rum. You can use a jigger or a standard measuring spoon, knowing that 2 tablespoons equal 1 ounce. Pour the rum directly into your glass with the muddled mint, lime, and sugar. Next, fill the glass completely with ice cubes. Depending on your glass size, this will be about 8 to 10 standard ice cubes. Stir the mixture well for about 15 to 20 seconds to ensure all the flavors are thoroughly combined and chilled. To complete your refreshing mojito, top the drink with about 4 ounces of chilled club soda. Pour it slowly over the ice to maintain the carbonation. Give the entire mixture one final, gentle stir for about 5 seconds to integrate the soda without losing its effervescence. For a delightful aromatic touch, take a fresh sprig of mint and gently clap it between your hands a couple of times to release its fragrance, then place it into the glass. You can also add a lime wheel to the rim if you wish. Congratulations, you've successfully crafted a delicious mojito without needing to see a thing. Take a moment to taste your creation. If you prefer it a little sweeter, you can add a tiny bit more sugar syrup. If you like it more tart, a squeeze of fresh lime juice will do the trick. Remember the proportions we used: 2 ounces of rum, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 4 ounces of club soda, along with the mint and lime. This method empowers you to create a perfectly balanced, refreshing drink every time. Enjoy your handcrafted mojito responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.